we might have mixing bowls, fine. How long have you had them? Are they up to snuff? Are they kind of old? Did you get them when you got married 40 years ago? It is totally time for an upgrade. So here we have 1, 2, 3 bowls done in stainless steel. These are true mixing bowls. What sets them apart? A couple of things. First of all, oh, it's suctioned to there. It has a clear lid on the top. So now you can store in this, you can prep in this, you can marinate in this. In addition to this, each one has its own sort of like suction foot on the bottom. So when you're taking your hand mixer or your whisk or you're stirring and you're worried about before it's just sort of like scooting all over the countertop, it's going to stay in place. You always have the right size on hand because you are getting the smallest at 1.5 quarts, a medium at 3 quarts, and a large at 5 quarts. $26.99. It's $5.40 on an easy pay. You're saving over $12. Or think of it this way, each bowl with its lid is $8.99. Now I will tell you, these are final quantities. When it's gone for good. It won't be coming back into stock, and those 5 easy pays go away at the end of our show. This is a 4-hour in the kitchen show. Our last hour is dedicated to our man Fabio, but this is K92307. Colors real fast for you, matching back to the colors that we saw in the everyday pan. I have it in the cranberry, and you're going to get it in the lid and in that foot on the bottom. This is, which one is this one? Stone gray? I can't tell from here. No, this is navy, thank you. And then we also have a stone gray on QVC.com that we will show you. There's the stone gray. And there's the navy on .com. Okay, Fabio, why did you come up with these?
So storing, marinating, mixing, if you think about it, these encompass all the features that I love about a good mixing bowl. First of all, the suction cup, it's like super powerful to the point that they add the person that create these with me added a little lip here to help you release these from the counter. Right? Sometimes I go in mixing things and whisking things and the bowl goes everywhere. You put these on the counter, you could kick it. It doesn't move. So you have to lift it with the little side. Otherwise, good luck with that. You'll be there for a minute. Then completely spill proof. It's important for me because I do a lot of things. I do a lot of marinating. I do a lot of mixing. The lid is completely spill proof. You could have liquid in it, flip it upside down, and nothing comes out, nothing spills, which makes it great for mixing, for shaking, for seasoning, and marinating. On top of it, if you're into baking, inside the bowl, there is measuring units. I don't know if you can see it on camera here, but inside, there is a series of measurement units in all 3 of them that makes also the measuring portion of it very, very easy. It's a great cooking tool, and it's also a lot of saving space because, as you can tell, you can put them inside. Look at this. I have this stuck on it here.
Yes. Couldn't do it.
I have to use, there you go. Now is open if you use the lip. It's very, very, very strong, by the way.
What I love is that now I have both my hands free as I'm whisking in this oil to make the salad dressing over a strawberry and watermelon. Was that burrata? Strawberry and watermelon salad, a little red onion. Normally, you'd have to hold on for dear life. You know what I mean? To make sure that it stays in place. Here, look at me.
Because it's also silicone, it does stuck. It does stick very well to wood too. As long as it's a flat surface, it sticks to wood as well. I mean, it's pretty incredible. Look, I'm moving a very heavy cutting board with it. Look at this. So it's a great gift. It's a great tool to have in your kitchen tools repertoire. Different size for different application. Again, from marinating to seasoning to preserving to keeping in the refrigerator to mixing. The ability of these tools, there is many of it, and it makes it for a great addition to your arsenal of tools for great cooking.
I mean, it's a total upgrade because it goes everywhere you need it to go. It goes in the refrigerator. It goes, can this go in the freezer too? It looks like it can.
Yes, they're freezer-proof, dishwasher-proof. They're dishwasher completely safe. You can throw the whole things in the dishwasher, and absolutely freezer and refrigerator proof.
I love these. I need these. It's a refresh. I'm someone also who loves to like marinate ahead of time before it hits the grill, and it's really going to infuse. We actually have those not bowls, but rectangles that are coming up where we suction out the air. That's also going to be great if you're a marinator. $26.99. You get the smallest, which is going to be 1.5 quarts, medium, which is 3 quarts, the large, which is 5 quarts. Final quantities, though, you can see those lids that you can see through. So if you're prepping ahead of time, you're doing a lot of things, you know what's what. I think I can show you some of those measuring marks. Quinny, if you can come in here on this medium-sized bowl. If we could see before I get to baking. Nobody wants me to bake. Let's see if Quinny can get this. I know he can. He's a genius. Here he comes. So there you go. So you know, like baking, it's science. It's precision at all times. So this keeps you where you need to be at all times. Really easy to see. That's on the medium-sized bowl. Do they all have that, Fabio?
They do. The small have, the big have, the medium have, all the same, just different size, different quantities in it, but all same feature for all across. Dishwasher safe, freezer safe, refrigerator safe, hot and cold liquid safe, as well as the ability to literally keep a store in your cabinet inside like almost like a little Russian doll.
I loved those growing up. I had one that went down to like the tiniest little splinter.
Yes.
I loved it.
Absolutely. This is the culinary version of it.
Yes, it's the home chef version of it. I'd love to do colors. If we can do it on QVC.com, though, guys, that would be much easier for us. Cranberry is the one that you see here, but there it is there. There is your navy. And then finally, your stone gray as well. This is your prepping bowls. These are your marinating bowls, your baking, your leftovers. Even your hand mixer with that suction cup on the bottom, you don't have to worry about it skidding all over the countertop. It's K92307, 30% savings at $26. Remember, those easy pays go away at the